Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little mini sticker haul for you guys, and this is all from Lily and Lion. You may have noticed lately that I haven't been hauling a lot of planner stickers and things like that on my channel. I have just been really trying to get through my stash and use what I have and not spend so much money on planner stuff. I've definitely really cut back my spending on stickers in particular because it was just getting a little bit out of hand and I had so many, and I have a box of leftovers. Kit leftovers, literally stacked this high full of sheets. I have like 3 inches thick stack of leftover sheets. So I've been trying not to be so wasteful and only buy things I really will need or use. So I've placed an order with Lily and Lion because I really liked the new doodle stickers that she brought out. They're perfect for my monthly spread, and as I haven't been using monthly sticker kits lately, I've been needing some little icons for that. So I'm going to bust it open and show you guys what I got. Even though I needed most of these, I did buy a couple of little extras that I didn't necessarily need, but it's still a very small order. I was very economical, so I don't feel bad. And I ordered during her, I think it was her birthday sale, so I got a bit of percentage off too, which is nice. Okay, first of all, I got 2 cute little samplers. This is sort of like a birthday celebration one, which is really cute. I like the balloons and the washi tape. You get some cute little sausage dogs and some girls down here. And then this one is more sort of like regular planner girl sheet. So you get some more dogs, some clips, some cute little icons like credit card, gas, water, electricity. So for bills, which is cute, and then like groceries and stickers, things like that down the bottom. Little nail polish, really cute. And then all the stickers I bought are pretty much just the little mini icons. She has a lot. They're really cute. I don't need any decorative stickers or functional stickers or anything really, so I just needed the little icons. So I got a bunch of the dishwashers. I just never can seem to find a sticker for washing dishes. I don't know, and I seem to do it a lot, so and I like to put it in my planner to remind me because it's my most hated chore, and if I don't put it there I will avoid it. So I got the multicolored ones. I think they either come in black and white, pastel, or rainbow. I'm not sure, but I got the pastel obviously. A bunch of those on there. Then I got little birthday ones. These are for my monthly spread. I thought they were a nice small size to fit on there to signify birthdays and things. Again in the pastels. Now getting into the new doodle icon. So I got all of these in black and white. I just thought they were really cute, nice and neutral for my monthly spread, and I can also colour these in if I want to. So perfect really. So I got the little money icons for paydays and things like that, bill dues. I got the mixed speech bubble sheet. This is just basically my kids have a lot of speech appointments, so that's what this is for. Little clipboard. I thought this would be quite versatile, so I can use this for appointments, meetings, anything of that nature really. Then I got the little ready for work mug. It's really hard to see. I mean, it's teeny tiny. You can see next to my thumbnail how small these stickers are, and they've got ready to work printed on there and a little love heart. So tiny, so cute, just perfect for work. I really love that one. And I didn't need this one. I just thought the armchair was too cute. It's a tiny little armchair and a lamp. It's really adorable. I love it. So I don't know what I'm going to use this for. Maybe like watching TV or planning, maybe. I probably don't need it, but I thought it was really cute, and I can always use teeny tiny icons. So the last thing I got, which I really definitely didn't need, but it was so cute, and I think it was only $2, so I thought why not grab it, is this journal card. It's A6. It says stop and smell the rosé. It's got beautiful florals around the outside and this lovely girl with her flower crown and her glass of wine, and that's me. Somewhat regularly. I definitely don't drink a lot, and I don't drink that often, but I do like a glass of wine once or twice a week, so I really adore the colours in this, and this is the perfect size for my pocket size planner. I can cut it down slightly and it fits in there really nicely, so I thought it was really adorable. Okay, that is everything. Just a super quick little mini haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Thank you for joining me today. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.